Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, an NDD broker, or no dealing desk broker, provides unfiltered access to the markets by offering what is known as straight-through processing executions, or through their electronic communications network. In this list, we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best NDD brokers that traders use when trading stocks, indices, binary options, CFDs, ETFs, Forex and cryptocurrencies. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature raw spread and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower leverage, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, as well as a variety of video tutorials for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, Islamic swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone provides CFD traders with competitive pricing, excellent customer service, and many beginner traders like to use Pepperstone due to them not charging for inactive accounts or a minimum deposit for standard accounts. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as beginner's guides that you can follow if you are interested in any additional education. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, a variety of tradable base currency options, and more. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.